All right, so here we're going to do our investigation about some volumes of right cylinders and slanty cylinders, but we'll see that this also applies to other shapes other than cylinders. Okay, so remember with me, these are called right, and when you do slanty things, they're called oblique. And so what we have here is a stack of 10 pennies on the left and 10 pennies on the right. And when I measure their height, one way I can just lay that across and it's perfectly even, but I can also measure in millimeters, and looks like we're gotta turn around for me, maybe at 12 millimeters, and then also at 12 millimeters. So I've got the same height for both of my stacks, even though one is straight up and one is slanty. The other thing we want to look at is to compare the size of each cross-sectional value, the area of one penny versus the area of another penny. And as you probably know, these are the exact same size, these two pennies. And so then our last question would be, what would you guess to be true about their volumes, about how much copper is in the left stack versus how much copper is in the right stack? And it turns out it's the same amount. It's 10 pennies worth of copper either way. So this is called Cavalieri's principle, that slanty things that have the same height and have the same cross-sectional area, each slice has the same area, will be the same volume. By the way, Cavalieri was an Italian mathematician of the 17th century, and he was the one credited with first coming up with this idea. All right.